Unlock a smarter, safer way to shop online with Klarna's incredible one-time card feature, €. Let's dive into how it works. First things first, open your Klarna app if you don't have it yet. Download it from your app store once you're logged in. Navigate to the cards section or look for a banner promoting the one-time card. Tap on the option to create a new one-time card. This is where the magic happens. Klarna will guide you through a quick process to generate a unique virtual card numbered just for this purchase. You'll see a new virtual card pop up with its own card number, expiry date, and CVV code. This card is temporary, designed for a single transaction, adding an extra layer of security to your online shopping. Now, head to any online store where you want to make a purchase. At the checkout page, instead of using your regular card details, select the option to pay with a credit or debit card. Go back to your Klarna app, carefully copy the one-time card number, and paste it into the card number field on the retailer's website. Do the same for the expiry date and CVV code. The app will often prompt you to confirm the purchase amount. This ensures you're only authorizing the exact value of your order. Once confirmed, you can finalize your purchase on the retailer's site. After your purchase, all the payment details and upcoming installments for that one-time card will be neatly organized within your Klarna app, making it super easy to track and manage. Experience a new level of shopping control and security with Klarna's one-time card, €. Happy shopping!